Hi guys, this is for Tandoori Junction. So basically, there are a few things that we need to update here. So basically, for the homepage, this is just too big if you're on mobile. So we want to make this smaller for mobile. Let's get rid of this space here. Let's center this button. Let's make this photo fit inside the this background border here. This looks great. Let's make this look like this button here. Right, this looks okay on desktop. The only thing I'd change here is to make this picture fit inside the border. Alright, so that's for Zena. This is another one for Zena. For the location page, let's just update this button so it looks like the button inside the so it looks like the button in the home page. Let's update this area here with a address, phone number, and email address, and the operating hours. And then let's update this logo here and this text here. That's it for Zena. For Shweta and Sumitra, okay, so this is a little bit for it requires a little bit of coding. So basically, when someone hovers this button, it should remain in that red, but the text should be black. So it should be the same red, but the text turns to black when they hover over it. Now, when they click on it, can we move this text around here in the middle so it doesn't look like it's all stuffed up at the top? So let's put it in the middle. Another thing is this line. If we can make it red, that's really it for that. Okay, let me add that to my cart. Let's see what the checkout process is. Alright, so the thing about this is when you click on select here and then you add to cart, there's no prompt for them to go to their cart or check out. So a button where it says checkout would be great. I think if you go to the WooFood demo, you'd see that I think there was a box near the sorry. Okay, so you'd see my order here. We want something like that, and we want a bigger cart. So this is our current cart. We want something like that, um, like this for our cart. So it's bigger. So for example, I select that and I add it to my cart. Okay. I don't think that they have updated this website in a while, so that could be a problem. Okay, so as you can see here, it's in the middle. Ours is at the top. We want this description in the middle, like this. Another thing is we'd probably have to add extras. So for example, if someone orders um, chicken curries or any other product that can be partnered with bread or rice, we could probably add it here. Okay. Another thing is if we go here, we don't have the the option. They don't have the option to add add an amount. So we need that, and as you can see, this here updated when they added additional orders for the same item. So we need that. Okay. So number one is we need this my order area here in the side of the website. And when they select a product, they should be able to specify the number of the amount or the number of item they want to add. So for example, if they choose chicken curry, they should be able to add 2 orders or 3 orders, and then eventually you will add extras. So what I want to see is to have the extras in the field. So for example, if they order dishes like um, chicken pasanda, they should be able to add breads or rice. And for beef curries, they should be able to add rice or bread along with their orders. That's it for the extras. One more thing is we want a bigger cart symbol here in the menu. I think that's easier. That's really easy to put. Now, we also want them to be able to log in or register for an account. Alright, so I'm going to the checkout process now. So I have several products. This button here, it's still not working. So either remove that button or either remove that button or make it look like this button here. Alright, one more thing is here, you'd be able to add more products. However, the quantity field doesn't look really good. So it's white text over a gray area. It doesn't read well. So if you could turn this into red, and this up and down button here, if you can make it red, that's gonna be a solution. Or you may want to make the background red instead, and then with white text and white, up and down button. Do whatever you think looks better. Now for this page, we don't want this area here, this sidebar. We want to remove that sidebar. That's mainly it, guys. So Sumitra, if you can turn this into tasks on ClickUp, please do. Thank you.